Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 1500 Laramie. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: Delmonico red pearl coat, 3.92 rear axle ratio, wheel-to-wheel side steps, wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches premium paint polish included, tires 275/55 auto-20 OWL all season, park sense front rear park assist with STOP, Laramie level 1 equipment group included, remote tailgate release auto high beam headlamp control blind spot and cross path detection rain sensitive windshield wipers park sense front rear park assist with stop tailgate ajar warning lamp foam bottle insert, door trim panel, rear 60/40 folding split recline seat, monotone paint, engine 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT included, active noise control system heavy duty engine cooling gross vehicle weight 7,100